Hey everyone, I am Josh Gold from Acton, Massachusetts in the United States. I teach computer science. This is a game called Lux, written in Java. Allows me to run a game server from terminals. These two right here are running on an iMac in my basement. These two are running on a Raspberry Pi next to me. Something called screens so that I can pipe the information from these terminals into a file on a computer, read through that file, and when I see something I like, I can use a Python library to spit something out. Right here, if I come into this room, we'll see in a second a message, welcome Killer Catfish from Killer Catfish, and you'll see that it's these two things up here because this is the actual game server and this is my chatbot listening. And what's cool is I can actually detach from these officially and come all the way home to my computer and nothing changes here and it still works and I could go into the other room. I initialize and I have a log file that I'm going and checking the thank you buddy length of my log file so I can find the end of my log file, and if a new line comes I can go check the line, and right now it does a few things, or it's supposed to do a few things. This will indicate that a new player has joined, so if that happens I run a threading timer so that it waits 3 seconds before calling this method, but the program actually keeps running. And all that does is comes down to welcome, and it uses some really cool stuff here. It spawns a new terminal window in the background, and some of my friends in there get special treatment. But pretty much the magic in my mind is that through using this library, I can actually send to the screen with a specific name that's detached somewhere else off in Neverland, and I can send a welcome according to that name that I've parsed out from the input. So it's really fun, a lot of fun. I spent 2 weeks on this, and most of that was just setting up the environment.